So I am finally getting round to painting my workshop. Well, I'm going to get some primer on it anyway. And you can see here, I've already done the sides, done the other side, I've done the back. So I'm going to get some on the front here. Now this is only a primer. It is very white though. I'm impressed how white it is. So whether I do two coats or not, I'm not sure yet, but the colour I'm going to put on the top eventually will be of a similar colour. It'll be some kind of white. Now the fascias, the windows and doors, they've all been undercoated as well, and they are going to be a dark colour. They're going to be painted in a satin, which is similar to that colour. A bit bluer than that and probably a bit darker. For this, I'm using Dulux Trade wood primer. It's a solvent-based wood primer. You've got to use, well, I just wanted to use solvent-based on this because one of the great things about this as well is that it makes it really shiny and waterproof. So when I did this bit here yesterday, it rained not long afterwards, but it dried quite quickly. But it also ensured a real waterproof seal straight away. And it looks pretty good this morning. So rain is imminent today. Doesn't look too bad at the moment. It's quite early, so I thought I'd get out here really early. And so I want to get this on, get all the front done. So let's get on with it. So let's crack this open. Give it a quick stir again. Doesn't need a lot. I've been stirring it lots and lots yesterday. Let's get my brush going. As I say, this is all undercoat on the windows and doors. I might end up just getting a tiny little bit on there, but I'm not worried because I shall give them another undercoat and a top coat, so they'll look pretty good. Right. Let's put that to one side. Let's get cracking. So there we go, all done. Really happy with that. One coat of primer all the way over. So if it does rain, this is going to protect it a bit. So stay tuned for more painting of the workshop, and I'll see you guys next time.